It's important to students like me because we need a facility where we can learn all of the rapidly changing techniques in manufacturing metals. And with the way the technology is changing, we need a place where we're going to be able to learn the fundamental and crucial skills to make us a valuable employee.
Thomas Skinner has for years been very interested in polytechs and how they're going to train the future of our industry. We are fortunate enough to represent Haas Automation, and Haas Automation understands what is necessary for the future of manufacturing. And with them and their foundation, we are able to actually support the polytechs, not just with equipment, but with scholarships and with grants. So it's a great partnership I have with them, and we can help the polytechs do their job in training the future with skilled labor.
The Innovative Manufacturing Program was created in response to the current needs and future needs of manufacturing in the province. The spirit of this program is to finding better ways, more innovative ways, newer ways to produce product for various manufacturers in the province. The improvements in both Phase 1 and Phase 2 of construction are come to prime for the students' learning. They are able to work hands-on with CNC equipment, large 3D printing, non-destructive testing, and injection molding equipment. Gene Haas Foundation has made a significant donation, and that has went into the infrastructure for Phase 1, building the lab, getting everything prepped, the computer stations upstairs in the classrooms. Other corporations have seen the benefit to partnering with Sask Polytech in the infrastructure and implementation of this program. Phase 2 will implement across in the old Power Sports location. They will be putting in a non-destructive testing lab and plastic injection molding. This would not be possible without industry sponsorships to make the learning environment what it is.